G'day viewers. Today we're covering off on how often I should have my solar system cleaned, serviced and maintained, and the main drivers behind that. So generally, this is a part of our series on solar repairs, maintenance and service. So generally, if you're with your solar system, you would want to get it, just like your car, you'd want to get it serviced every year and definitely get them cleaned. This makes sure that you don't have any water in your system, everything's been checked, all your connections are correct, there's nothing going on within your system, and if there is, you can catch them early. It's like most things, if you catch them early, it does save you a lot, and you can save a lot in the long run, especially when it comes to warranties and the like. Now the cleaning, the main driver behind that is, up here in North Queensland especially, we have a big problem with mould and dust. Once mould starts growing on the panels, it attracts more dust, it attracts more mould, and it's a sort of a self-perpetuating cycle there. And before you know it, the panels are covered with mould and dust. Now, quite often you can sort of look at your panels and go, oh, they look fairly clean. But if you get up there and scrub them, you'll find that there's a film of mould and dust on them. Unless the only way you can say that, emphatically that they're very clean is that you can see they're really, really shiny. If they're not, if they look a bit dull, they definitely need a service. So that'll impact a couple of things. That will, your dirty panels with mould and dust on them, that will impact your production for sure. But also, if you leave them long term and you have problems with your panels and your system later on, the manufacturer, because quite often they look for an out, the manufacturer, one of the first questions we're asked quite often is, has this customer had their system regularly maintained every year? If that's a no, well, that's an out for the manufacturer. So basically, that's a bit of a wrap up for on that side of things. We'll cover off on a little bit more detail on that on our further blogs on that. But for now, see you later from the Solar Doctor team. Thank you.